Hello. In this video, we will be going over how to edit fishing loot tables by biome using LootJS, which is the add-on for CubeJS, and NeoForge 1.21.1. If you find this video informative, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel to get more videos about general Minecraft mod pack development. In addition, this is brought to you by BisectHosting, a great server hosting provider, and I'll be getting more in detail about their services later in the video. But for now, let's get started. So for both of these, I'm using one file called fishing biome loot. As you can see, it is located in the server scripts folder because that's where you need to put it. But on line 1 here, we're using lootjs.lootTables. We're passing in the event callback. And our first example is going to be adding something to the loot table. So we're going to do that by first doing event.getLootTable, which in the loot table string is Minecraft:gameplay/fishing/fish. You can also edit treasure loot tables by replacing fish with treasure. Next, we need to select the first pool, which is just the loot table. And then we're going to add our entry. We're going to use loot entry for this. So in this example, we're going to add another star to your loot table when normally fishing for fish. And then you can also add a weight. So I'm adding 100. So as you're testing this in game, another star is going to almost certainly pop up. Obviously, you can tweak the weight as you please. And then, next thing we need to do is to set a condition, and the condition is obviously about the biome. So inside the callback here, we're going to do conditions.matchBiome. Then here, I'm just going to say is an ocean. So I'm using a tag here specifically. Obviously, a tag is the pound key, and the tag is Minecraft is ocean. So this includes ocean, deep ocean, lukewarm, cold, warm, etc. And then we close that off with our brackets, and then we close off the add entry. Before we move on to the next example here, I would like to give a shout out to my server hosting provider, BisectHosting. They offer server hosting for Minecraft as well as over 80 other top online games. You can pre-install over 2,000 Minecraft mod packs automatically. They offer 24/7, 365 customer support that can help troubleshoot your server and mods. They give you full file access, and you can host your server from across 20 secure locations around the world. They also offer advanced DDoS protection. Again, this is a great server hosting provider. I can't say enough. Please check out my affiliate link in the description below. It'll bring you to this website that I got the screenshot from. There's plenty of great information there that can help inform a possible purchase that aligns with your budget and needs. Again, thank you to BisectHosting for supporting my channel and modpack development. But now back to the video. So our second example here is actually removing an entry from a loot table. So we start off in a similar way. We have event.getLootTable, and then passing in the same string for just normal fishing, getting the first pull. But instead of adding entry, I need to modify an existing item entry. So we're going to do that. We're going to use a callback. The first thing we need to do is to see if the item entry item ID is a pufferfish. So here we're going to remove pufferfish as a possible outcome of fishing in the plains biome. So first, obviously, we need to check to see if pufferfish is the item ID. If that's the case, then we need to set a condition here. So item entry when conditions. Again, we're going to use similar thing, matching biome. If the condition, in this case, we're matching the biome to be Minecraft plains. If that's the case, we need to set the weight to 0. So if it's 0, you effectively remove it from the loot table. That's the simplest way to do that. And then we need to close things up, but inside we need to return the item entry. So these are two examples here. Our first one was about adding an item to a loot table depending on biome. And our latter example that we just did was about removing a particular item as a possible outcome, fishing, in this case, pufferfish in the plains biome. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. In addition, if you have any video ideas, feel free to reach out as well. Otherwise, thank you for watching and have a great day.